Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. This video specifically I have done so much of research uh, comparing with last year data and how much percentile will have how much score. It means on particular number of percentile what is going to be the score for 2023, and I have done the comparison with last year, and then in case it reduces by 25 percentile, 20 percentile, 15 percentile, 10 percentile, then what will be the revised cutoff for general category and reserve category. And have also done the comparison how many candidates, okay, where last year how many candidates qualified last year up to particular percentile, and this year how many candidates are there up to particular percentile. Okay, so based on this comparison I have come to some conclusion. If they do it like last year, then how much would be the cutoff revision and all such things. If you are new to the channel, you can subscribe this channel, and you can join our Telegram group. You can find the link in the description of the video. You can avail our paid counseling guidance, and you can visit the website neetmentor.co.in, and there you can find a portal also, which is very useful portal. I'll show you some details about it. In the portal you can see announcement and events when the counseling goes on. These all things will get updated. You can find the closing time for every state-wise counseling and MCC counseling, and you can filter by college name, course name, quota, category, and round wise. It will have the cutoff for last year 2022 and last year 21, so you can do the comparison also. For all India counseling, what are the different things you need to have, like rules, regulations, fee structure, stipend bond for different colleges in deemed universities and all India and DNB. All the notification also you can access from there. Documents required, prospectus, and also some choice filling whenever it starts counseling, rules and regulators. For different states also, similar as all India counseling, all we will have like 6 options, and you get to know about each and everything for particular state. You can do the prediction based on your rank, prediction of the college based on your rank, your domicile state, different branches that you are looking for, whether it's MD, MS, or DNB or diploma, and for different types of counseling is MCC, all India deemed state counseling, and open state counseling, and based on your budget. So you can do it a number of times, and it's a very useful feature. You can get to know about the fee structure, and you can filter it based on state, institution, course, your quota, and number of bond years. So you can filter out there. College wise clinical details, okay, for dermatology, radiology, respiratory medicine, anesthesia, ENT, general medicine, general surgery, orthopedic, all clinical branches you can get details for the government colleges. Similarly, for all these clinical branches you can get the details in the deemed universities. Okay, clinical wise details, OPD, IPD, and how many X-rays, MRI happening in particular hospital attached to the colleges. DNY hospital details you can get, and you can filter it out, like which are the government colleges, which are the corporate one, public sector, and central institutes in different states. Okay, so what I have done, actually I have created a percentile versus score mapping, and it's all based on the complete list of candidates who attended the exam. Okay, and as you already know, just now the qualifying score is 291, means it's on 50 percentile, and for OBC, SC, ST is 40 percentile and 257. In case of general PH candidate is 45 percentile and the score is 274. Okay, and in case of 35 percentile the score would come down to 241 exactly, and in case of 30 percentile it will come down to 225. In case of 25 percentile it will be 208, 20 percentile 190 marks, 15 percentile 171, and these number of candidates have achieved score before above 291. More than 1 lakh candidate scored more 291 plus score, approx 1 lakh, and approx 1.1 lakh scored 274 plus score in 2023. Similarly, the number of candidates who scored 257 plus is 1.2 lakhs. Number of candidates who scored 241 plus is 1.3 lakhs. Those who scored 225 plus is 1.4 lakhs, and those who scored 208 plus 1.5 lakhs. Similarly, 190 plus score is achieved by 1.6 lakhs candidate, and 171 plus score achieved by 1.7 lakhs. This is the data for 2023. Now I am giving you the data for 2022, and we will relate like if they do the comparison, they do the revision like last year, then how much you can expect. Last year the cut percentile for general was 275, means up on 50 percentile it was 275 score. On 45 percentile it was 260, and around 1,01,000 candidate got 260 plus score. On 40 percentile 245, 35 percentile 230, 30 percentile 216, and after the cutoff revision it came down to 25 percentile after revision by 25 percentile. So 25 percentile reduced from the 50% came to 25 percentile is 201 was the cutoff revision last year. And for reserve category it came down from 40 to 15 percentile, which is 169, and for general PH is 20 percentile 186. So if you take a look at last year, okay, around 1.38 lakhs candidate from the general category, okay, they got qualified after cutoff revision. Now if they see, number of seats will also be increased this time, approx 3 to 4,000, okay, minimum, and I will give you details about that in some other video, maybe today or tomorrow. So last year actually initially they had qualified 92,500 candidates in general, and after cutoff revision it came, the number came to 1.38 lakhs. Okay, if they do similar number, if they allow similar number of candidates, because it's not up to percentile, it's up to how many candidates are there for the remaining seats. If they allow the same number of candidates this year also to fill up by renewing for same number of candidates, they allow to participate in the counseling for the leftover seats, then it will be coming around 1.4 lakhs, a little bit more. So you can expect this year, as per the data you can see on 23, it would come down to 225 score, which is 30 percentile. It means they need to reduce the cutoff by 20 percentile. Okay, and for general it will be 30 percentile. For OBC, SC, ST reserve it will be from 40 to 20 percentile. So in case they do the revision by, now let's I will tell you. See, the first column you can see is category, second column is the current cutoff, and if they do the revision by 20 percentile, it's going to be 225 for general and 190 for reserved. Okay, if they do the revision by 25 percentile like last year, then 208 would be the cutoff for general, and EWS 171 for reserve category. In case it's done by 15 percentile, then you would have 241 is the cutoff revised score for general category and 208 for reserve category. In case it's done by just 10 percentile, then 257 will be the revised cutoff for general category EWS, and 225 will be the revised cutoff for reserve category. Okay, so these are based on actual data. It took a lot of time for me to do all the analysis, getting the data like up to what score, what is the percentile, all the calculation, and I have done based on the total number of candidates who attended the exam and they got the score. Okay, so hopefully it looks like they will do the revision between 20 to 25 percentile. So the minimum cutoff it will go up to 225 for general category, and that's what I highlighted on the left side, 225 for general category and 190 for reserve category. Okay, the same thing I have given here. If it is done by 25 percentile, then what will be the cutoff after revision? So 208 and 171 in case of 25 percentile. In case of 20 percentile, 225 and 190 for general and reserved. In case of 10 percentile, 257 and 225. So this is what it's actually required that this is practically talking that if you expect like this much revision, then how much score you would require. Okay, so hope this video was useful to you, and if you liked it, then don't forget to click the like button and share with others and share in your groups, and so that everybody gets awareness like how much is going to be and on what, how much you can expect. Minimum 20 to 25% definitely is going to happen, and then the number will come down to 225 for general and 190 for reserve. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.